Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Doing a random page kit, waiting for some mixed media to dry. This was layout 15 that I put together. So let's see what we got. We got some chipboard, some random cards, Puffy, more chipboard, Lael. This is when I met Lael. But she loves color. Oh, stitching, that's not happening. I did enough stitching in my life. Let's see, we got all these little cards. Oh, more stitching. You know, maybe I can use those. You guys, a cricket jumped in here earlier. Don't know how it got in here, but I screamed like a little girl. And my husband is now making fun of me because I screamed, and I'm like, dude, it jumped on me, okay? So I've got those three, some of these. What do we, oh, we got more. All right, so I'm gonna figure out what we want to do, and I think I know what I want to do. As weird as that. Oh. Alright, so we're going to do some major fussy cutting of the flowers there. And fussy cut those out. Let me get a white border. Let's do those two to make my paper borders. That's not gonna work. Okay. So that's 6, so we'll just do 1. So I'm gonna cut these strips, map my photo, and then I will go in and I'm going to fussy cut out the flowers. So what my plan is to fussy cut this whole sheet shall be fussy cut. This sheet shall not be completely fussy cut. But I'm going to cut out that little pattern and do like a border all the way around that. So I'm going to go in and like cut some jagged lines. So that's my plan. Give me a minute to get those all cut and we'll be right back. Alright, so I've got this photo popped up on some foam. I've cut that all out, and then I've got a few of them popped up just to add some dimension. I'm going to get a little title. Stuck right there. And I fussy cut all that sheet out. I'm not sure where we're going to go with this, so go collecting memories. Create, and we'll put inspire there. Probably going to use those flowers somewhere else. And I already had a title picked out, so we'll go smile. Let's do it this way. Lael and me. So no need to journal, right? Because my title tells you what this is. That's how I look at it, guys. I let the pictures and the titles tell the stories. I sure hope I spelled her name wrong. Just saying. Okay. That is way too big. Stick this one under there. That one there. Put a little heart down there. I know I'm thinking as I'm doing this. This little chipboard will kind of create a little bit of a floral cluster up there. The little good things. Not a lot going to be needed. Excuse me. We have tons left over for the next layout, so that's gonna do it. I really like this. I think it's fun. It's super uber dimensional, so when you look at it, you kind of get a little pop of the mosaic, fun colored background, and that is my layout for the day. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.